How to fix no signal issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button, and then from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone it will fix the no signal issue. But after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then swipe down to open quick settings panel, and then from here tap on this aeroplane mode icon to turn it on or turn it off. So do it 2 to 3 times, and after that the no signal issue will be fixed. But after turning on or off flight mode, if you are still facing the no signal issue, then try reinserting the SIM card. So take out the SIM card from your phone and clean it with a clean cloth, and after cleaning the SIM card, put it back in your phone, and after that it will fix the signals issue. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is open settings. Scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then in system and updates tap on reset. Now tap on reset network settings, and then again tap on this reset network settings option here to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your mobile's network settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after doing this, the signals issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the no signal issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.